Alright, welcome to my tutorial. This is my tutorial 3. Welcome to the Google Meet platform. Alright, today I'm going to talk about preparation when you step on this platform. Okay, what you should do. Okay, of course, when you on any platform, you need to do a trial and error so that you can know what tools to use in your this Google Meet platform. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the tools. Okay, you need to go to trial and error to do an experiment to play with these Google Meet apps. Okay, so that you are familiar with it, and when you present it, it will run smoothly. So you have a smooth transition. Okay, so when you already make use of this Google Meet platform, then you will know what are the tools you need to use. Okay, for example, like a split up window. Yesterday, myself was on the left. Today, I shift over here. Okay, you can just drag over here or drag over there. It's up to you. Okay, let me show you the next slide. Okay, the wonderful side about this Google Meet platform is here you are able to speak, and here you are able to control the slide, so you don't need other people to control for you. Okay, you know, you say, okay, next slide, no need. So you yourself can control it. Okay, these are the tools that you need for your platform. Okay, Duelist Chrome extension, screen recording extension, cloud convert or movie maker, snipping tool. Okay, all these 4 tools, anyhow you need it. Okay, you need it. So like right now, I on the Duelist Chrome extension. I already have it here. So I click it, it will merge my window to become like this. Okay, and I'm going to let you know how to add this extension. Okay, the next slide. Okay, step 1, you have to go to your Google homepage. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is step 1. Go to your Google homepage. Step 2, you type Duelist on your Google homepage. Google homepage, sorry. And then after you type, you click enter. Okay, this is how it appears. You click enter, you click here, Duelist Chrome extension. Okay, Duelist Chrome extension. See how it looks like. When after you click here, it will appear like this. Okay, you don't click the top one, you click this one. Okay, you click here. After you click here, okay, if you already have the extension, okay, like for me, I already have the extension. You look here, yeah, I already have the extension here. I already pin it. Okay, that's why when I try to install, it asks me to remove it, but I don't remove. But if you don't have, so you have to, it will appear this one, add to Chrome. Okay, if your computer already have the extension, it will appear this statement. Okay, if no extension, then it will appear add to Chrome. Then you click add to Chrome. Okay, once you add to Chrome already, it will come to here. Yeah, you've got extension already. Then it will appear this symbol, like on my this screen here. I have this symbol here, dwellers. Okay, dwellers. Then when you click on this symbol, it will come out this box for you to choose. Okay, for you to choose. It appear like this. When you click here, uh, it will appear in this form. Then this one highlight is I select this one. Click here. This is what happened. You can like that. But then if you don't want this Google here, you want your PowerPoint to be inside, you can adjust it. You can drag this one smaller, maximize or minimize, then drag it down. Okay, and you can drag up, drag down. I'll show you. You can drag up, drag down, like that. See? See that? Okay, then you drag up there to make it same here, same level. Okay, and now I'm going to close this. But another thing I want to let you know, this PowerPoint presentation must be um, on the background of your desktop or your computer, so that you can present it. Okay, now I'm going to close. That's the end for today. Don't save. Okay, because I already saved it here. So now this one, I'm going to drag it back to normal. This how when you install Dualess. Okay, it can merge windows. If you uh, if you like this video, click subscribe, or you can leave a comment below. Alright, I'm going to stop sharing. Oh, remember, before you close your platform, we are still recording. So what you have to do is you end recording. I'm going to end recording, or I'm going to stop sharing first.